Water. Water is everywhere, but what do you choose to drink? There's tap water, filtered water, bottled water, and from Nikken, there is PiMag water, produced by a unique technology and containing special minerals. Now there's a new PiMag water system, the most advanced, technologically sophisticated, yet amazingly simple means of providing you with water of exceptional quality. Presented in an all-new, contemporary, and patent-pending design that will complement any decor, the PiMag Waterfall. With its compact dimensions, small footprint, and handsome styling, the PiMag Waterfall looks good on any counter space. Because it's a self-contained unit that requires no electrical or plumbing connection, the Waterfall can be placed just about anywhere. But inside its elegant exterior, a closer look at the PiMag Waterfall reveals much more. A gravity-activated system that provides sparkling clear water, enhances mineral content and acid-alkaline balance, can reduce potential oxidation, and is more economical and practical than ordinary bottled water. Public concern is rising on the question of what may be in our water supply. We all want to ensure that our families enjoy water that is clean and safe. The PiMag Waterfall provides effective water filtration. Its multiple-stage flow-through system reduces a wide range of contaminants, the compounds that serve as benchmarks in water filter testing and certification. As established by independent laboratory tests, the PiMag Waterfall meets contaminant reduction specifications of National Sanitary Foundation Standards 42 and 53. This is considerably better performance than you'd get with many conventional faucet-type water filters. It's an astounding level of filtration efficiency for a gravity-type system, comparable to more complex and expensive technologies. Within the filter column are elements that increase the water's mineral content. These minerals include those found in the small river where PiMag water was discovered by scientists who observed the effect on the surrounding vegetation. The slightly alkaline water produced by the PiMag Waterfall may help offset the acidic nature of a typical modern diet and other environmental conditions. This PiMag water decreases oxidation reduction potential because a high potential may contribute to oxidative decomposition. An ionizing effect further reduces potential oxidation by providing ions to neutralize free radicals.
Nikken's first entry into the gravity-feed water filtration market was actually the Aquapore. All of you know it, many of you love it. We've had incredible success with the Aquapore. In fact, we've had so much success that it's gotten copied. Not only has the product itself with its configuration been copied, but the replaceable parts like the filter column have also been. So when we decided we were going to make the next generation, which ends up being the new Waterfall, we decided we would do a couple things differently. First of all, we would design it in a way that it would fit under countertops, that it would take up a smaller footprint on your counter space. We would also design it in a unique way that was stylized so that we could patent it and make sure that nobody else can copy us. So we have design and utility patents pending for the Waterfall. Let me tell you a little bit about the utility patents. These are functional patents which cover how it works, cover how it does what it does. And in this case, the Water Quality Association, WQA, has given it the gold seal, which is the highest certification that they have for two specific NSF standards. One is 42, that covers taste, odor, aesthetics, chlorine, and chloramine, and also 53, which is heavy metals like iron, copper, lead, mercury, as well as organic contaminants, including a list of 30 to 40 organic contaminants that we are certified to reduce by more than 90%. So when you combine those two aspects, when you combine those two patentable design aspects for the Waterfall, you get something that is not only unique, that not only outperforms everything else out there, but is something that's proprietary to us that we can protect, that will not be copied.
One of the most popular alternatives to unfiltered tap water is a commodity you see almost everywhere: bottled water products. What many consumers don't know is that these brands are often nothing more than packaged tap water, expensive tap water. Even the varieties that really do come from mountain rivers are sometimes not very strictly regulated or tested for contaminants. That hardly justifies the price these companies charge for their product. Bottled water can cost up to $5 per gallon, more expensive than gasoline. And over a few years, for one family, that can add up to thousands of dollars. Compare that to a PiMag Waterfall. With a Waterfall, you're not only enjoying clean, clear, filtered PiMag water, you're also saving money, and you're helping to save the planet. Those individual bottles of water were not only expensive for you, there's another price to pay. Billions of disposable plastic water bottles are produced every year. They're made from fossil fuels, which increases our dependence on oil. When empty, they're tossed into landfills, creating a form of waste that can take up to 1,000 years to break down organically. With a PiMag Waterfall, you're bypassing this wasteful cycle of trash generation and environmental damage.
And as part of our commitment to Healthy Child, Healthy World, we've made sure that every aspect of the Waterfall was designed with the environment and the earth in mind. Every part, every component is made from recyclable or renewable energy-sourced materials. In addition, we've made sure, and we've been scrupulous, that every part, particularly all the wet parts, cannot leach or do not ever contain chemicals that would harm you or that you'd be worried about. So there's no BPA, which is bisphenol A. There are no phthalates. There are no mold release. Everything's clean. Everything's edible. Everything's drinkable.
Only the Waterfall can offer you every one of these benefits. You'll enjoy better water for drinking and cooking with exclusive PiMag technology at a cost so low that it saves you money while doing some good for planet Earth, all in one stylish package. Finally, a combination of outstanding looks, high technology, and practical design that just may change the way you think about water. The PiMag Waterfall, only from Nikken.